check out the Wolfgang Puck estate-grown coffee machine. It's so awesome. I love it. It is worth the money just to see this thing in action. Okay. So first, you choose the coffee, then the strength, then the sweetener, and then the sugar, and then the size. Then the money comes out, and this machine just makes the coffee in this robot arm thing. Watch it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is what I'm talking about. And then you just take it. Oh my gosh. Okay. What a great way to start the morning. Thank you, Wolfgang Puck.